What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make a call using speed dial in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the phone app. Now go to the keypad tab and then click on this three dot more icon. Now from here click on speed dial numbers. Now from here first of all assign a number to a key. So from here you can select any key from 2 to 999. So select any number, and after selecting number select a contact to make a phone call. Now this number is assigned to call this number, this contact. Now to make a call using speed dial, just simply press and hold on the key that you have assigned, and then it will make a phone call to that contact. So that's how you can make a call using speed dial in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.